Hi everyone, I hope you are having an amazing day today. It is beautiful and sunny outside. I have decided to try growing potatoes this year. So these guys here are potatoes that I bought them from the store and they grew sprouts. So instead of just throwing the potatoes out, I decided why not grow my own potatoes. So I cut the potatoes into about golf-sized pieces and let them sit on my counter for 2 days so that they kind of cure. This is nice and hard before you can plant them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plant these 3 in a pot this size here so it has enough room for them to grow. What I'm going to do is put about 3 to 4 inches of potting mix in the bottom, put my potatoes in it, and then fill them with another about 3 to 4 inches of potting soil. And then what happens is you start to have potatoes growing. This is something that I started about 3 weeks ago with another batch of potatoes that had sprouted, and I just thought I'd see what would happen. Different container. So we'll see what happens with the difference in the types of container. This one specifically said that it was a potato container. I believe it's a 10-gallon. And I think I put 5 potatoes in here. So what's exciting is now we have little potatoes growing. So now that the green is coming out of the soil and I can see them growing, I'm actually going to cover them with a little bit more potting mix. And then we wait. We wait for a very long time, probably a few months, for our potatoes to be ready. So I'll show you guys what happens when it's all said and done, but I thought this was kind of exciting. And like I said, this is my first time trying it, so if you have any tips or tricks, please let me know. Have a wonderful day, everyone.